welcome to Lesson 2 of English 1-to-1 Tutor. Let's get started. So, last lesson we did catch a thief. The thief's name was Mark Deadleg Clements. Now, Mark had no alibi for the time of the theft and he physically fits the description. He had a limp after a road accident, hence the nickname Deadleg. He would have to wear comfortable shoes such as trainers after the injury. And the dead leg, written on his keyring, could have been misread as Dad if seen briefly. His motive for committing the crime was that excessive drinking left him short of money to maintain his habits. Congratulations if you got that correct. Right, the learning objectives for today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you should know how to effectively start writing a long story. This lesson is different from last lesson in that it's based on creative writing. Creative writing will help you develop your written English skills a lot more effectively. You should understand how creating an engaging opening will make the reader keep reading more of your story, and you should be able to start writing a long story with an interesting opening. So I put this as a starter activity, but you can do it any time. But if you do this exercise daily, it will help you to dramatically improve your levels of written English. Find your favourite book or novel which is written in English. Copy out the first full page using pen and paper. Highlight and translate any words you do not understand. This exercise is designed to help you write more coherent sentences. So it's working on things like conjunctives and linking words together effectively. So, starting your story. You will start to write a long story. This story has no title yet. You will choose the title after you've written the whole story. So to start, it is a cold, dull Saturday. You and two friends have no money, so you decide to cycle to a local wood and spend a few hours having fun. Your two friends overtake you and disappear round a bend. A few minutes later, you turn the corner, only to find both bikes lying on the ground. The front wheel of one of the bikes is still spinning. You notice a cave and walk towards it. So, your tasks for today. Begin your story as all three of you are cycling through the wood. In the first paragraph, set the scene for horror story, which means a scary story. Set the right mood for the reader. Put in suspense. Start the story like this. It was a cold, dull Saturday as we headed into. Okay. And then end where your friends disappear around the bend. Write no more than 10 to 12 lines for this section. Next, start the next paragraph is you round the corner. Describe what you see, including the bike's wheels still spinning. Finally, add the third paragraph describing your thoughts and feelings at that moment. Now, there's no time limit to this, but when you've finished, unpause the video and then we'll finish the lesson off. Welcome back. Now we've started your story, it's time to assess the work you've done. So, reread your handwritten page from the starter activity. Compare the sentences to the story you have just written. How does the start of your story compare? Focus on your use of conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words. So, when you're analysing, look for your use of the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Analyse them and see if you can improve them using the novel as a reference.